Hi everybody. Alright, so what I'm making here is a photo frame stand. This is copper. Yeah. Making it out of copper. After I've put it all together, I'm going to be polishing it and everything like that, and it will have a leather strap. So yeah, so there's my template that I scribbled on the workbench, so I can use this, and so there we go. Thanks. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, that's it there. So this photo which hang there, unfortunately I can't show the picture because it's a surprise, anniversary surprise, so but that's how it's going to sit there. So it's going to be about there where the photo is going to be hanging. So there's going to be a leather strap in the middle. So yeah, now I've got to put it all together, glue it together, or solder it together, and then give it a polish, and there we go, then we're done. Thanks. Hi ladies and gentlemen, there we go, a photo frame. Yeah, okay, let's do it this way. Can't really show who's it's for because it's a surprise. So basically that's how it's going to sit, like that. At the top there's going to be a leather band with also a copper or brass button, and that's going to sit like that. So yeah, so there we go. Never done this type of thing before, but this was actually quite fun. Just the polishing, I really did not like the polishing, but there we go.